All right, so if your Bitwarden is not syncing across devices, yeah, that can be really frustrating, but don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. First, quick idea. Sync problems usually happen because of internet issues, outdated apps, or account-related errors. Start by checking your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent syncing from working properly. Next, try syncing manually. Go to Settings inside Bitwarden and tap the Sync Vault option. If that doesn't work, log out of your account and then log back in. This refreshes your session and often fixes sync problems. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can cause compatibility issues. You should also check if Bitwarden servers are down. If there's a server issue, you'll need to wait until it's fixed. On mobile devices, try clearing the app cache. This can remove temporary glitches. If you're using the browser extension, disable and re-enable it, or reinstall it completely. Also, make sure your vault is unlocked because syncing may not work properly if it's locked. If nothing works, reinstall the app. This resets everything and usually fixes the issue. And always make sure your data is backed up before doing any major troubleshooting. So, yeah, most Bitwarden sync issues can be fixed with these simple steps. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More tech fixes coming soon.